Hello, I'm Guyton Durnan. I work for Lindbeck and I'm a lead AP.
My name is John Ballou. I work for Gensler. I'm also a lead AP.
And what we're here for today is we've built this maze, the Emerging Green Builders, part of USGBC, to try and help educate people about LEED and what it is. LEED is a design group to try and get buildings to be both energy efficient and environmentally friendly. And so what we've done with this maze is to go ahead and just throw some of that information out there so people can go and look at it, and maybe they want to decide to do something for themselves. But mainly it's just to educate the public and to have fun with this maze. We spent a couple hours knocking it together with a framing hammer and a little bit of blood, but other than that, everything went okay. The Emerging Green Builders is a portion of the USGBC. It's for people under 35 who've either just come out of school, or they're architects, they're engineers, they're construction people who are all working on this. They don't necessarily know all too much, but these are the people who are really interested. You know, we've been able to get people right out of school. We're teaching them what LEED is, and we're trying to get this new class of people educated, so when they're actually in the position to actually make decisions, they'll hopefully be able to make the right ones. As you can see, as you come in, we've got a little bit of information about global warming, some of the problems, and that's one of the big things. You know, you start reducing your amount of energy you're consuming, it's both going to save you money, but it's also going to help out with the amount of CO2 we're producing. Now, some of the other things that we're doing with LEED is you're trying to have water management, so this is trying to reduce the total amount of water you're using. 20, 30, 40% of a building's use is very feasible and saves you money over the course of 20 years if you own your own building. Sustainable sites is talking about what you need to do in terms of building. You're building in a certain location that can help the environment in the long term, and again, save you money because you're planning and you're realizing, oh, I can go ahead and put my building next to all this mass transit, and everyone who works there doesn't have to drive every day, so you don't have to have as much parking. So it's something where it's something that seems really environmentally friendly, but then you look at the dollars and cents, and it makes a lot of sense on that end as well. And if you keep walking through here, it's just showing you more and more of why we want to do it. We've had a lot of people that have come through in the world in the last couple centuries, and we're just going to continue to have more. And so we need to worry about how much carbon dioxide we're producing and how much energy we're consuming. And so that's really what this is all about. Now, there's a number of different ways a building can be LEED certified. The beginning is a LEED certified building, then we go to LEED silver, then we go to LEED gold and LEED platinum. And essentially what these are is there's a certain number of points you can get in each area: the sustainable sites, water management, energy in the atmosphere, and materials and resources, and indoor environmental quality. If you get these number of points, whatever they add up to, that's what you get for each one. LEED Platinum would have to be up to beyond 50 points, but a LEED certified building, you only have to have, I think, 24. So it's just the idea that you don't need to have all of these points, and you know, you need to have a certain number of points to get a certain rating, and then you're good from there. So again, what we're going through is just the amount of energy we're consuming, and then what we need to worry about that. And we've got a bunch of different quotes, both on the outside of this and also on the inside, just talking about important things about the environment and why we want to do something with LEED.